In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy that you can implement even as a complete beginner and start making hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. The reason being that you don't need to sell any product, you don't need to set up a website. All you just need to do is have people sign up for offers and you make money. All right, so basically it's that simple. So I'm going to show you how to do everything right here in this video. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. You will definitely find them interesting. So the first thing you want to do is you want to join a CPA network, and there are numerous CPA networks out there that you can join. We have the likes of cpagrip.com, and you can also join cpalead.com. We have Hardwork Media as well, but I'm going to be taking OG Ads here as an example. As you can see right here, these are the payment methods on OG Ads. You get paid via bank transfer, and you can see right here you can also get paid via Payoneer. So basically I use Payoneer to collect my payments. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to start making money in your OG Ads account for absolutely free. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to this website, bio.link, and this website, just like it says right here, one link for all your links. So basically you are going to be using one link to promote multiple CPA offers. And now you may say you've tried that, it doesn't work. I'm going to show you the best and the right way to promote CPA offers and make money doing so. So once you up on this website, you want to click on sign up button right here. So for me, I have an account created, as you can see right here. All right, so once you have your account created, this is how it's going to look like. So now I'll be taking the giveaway niche as an example, because there are a lot of people out there who are looking for giveaways online, and I'm going to show you how to target these people and get as many leads as you can from them. So once you do that, so you are going to come over to this website called flaticon.com, and you want to type in giveaway right here, because you can use this icon and these graphics for absolutely free without any copyright issues. All right, so all you want to do from here, you want to download any of the icons you find on this website for absolutely free. As you can see right here, I just uploaded an icon right here which I downloaded from this website. Okay, so now you want to give your page a name. All right, so I'm just going to be taking giveaway buzz as an example. Okay, so before you click on complete, you want to basically type in that same name right here, because you are going to be using this name to set up your Instagram account, and you want to click on complete. All right, so once you have that created, you want to click on this add link right here. Okay, so once you click on that, then you are going to go to your OG Ads account, and you want to go to the content locker section, and you want to click on create new content locker. And like I said, the same process applies for if you are using CPA Grip or Hardwork Media or whatever CPA network you're using. All right, so once you do that, you want to change this content locked to giveaway boss right here, and you want to change this to win big by signing up for all 4 giveaways below, and you want to change this to CPA. All right, you want to change this CPI prioritize to CPA, and then you want to change it to pin submit prioritize then CPI. All right, so as you can see right here, these are giveaways offer right here. Get $750 on Cash App, win $500 Amazon gift card. All right, you can see this one, this Samsung giveaway offer. You can see this gas gift card, you can see PayPal gift card. So basically these are offers right here that someone who is interested in giveaways would be willing to complete. All right, so if you scroll down here, you want to change the number of offers right here. You want to change it to 5. All right, so basically all they need to do, as you can see right here, so basically all they need to do is complete 4 of these giveaways right here, just like it's stated on this instruction. All right, win big by signing up for all 4 giveaways below. So basically if an offer pays $2.55 and you multiply that by 4, as you can see right here, you've made $10 from just one person. So basically all you just need is 10 people a day, and you are making over $100 easy and free. So once you do that, all you just need to do is click on this create locker right here. So before you click on this create locker, you want to come back to this basic, and you want to give your locker a name. So for me, I'm just going to be taking sample as an example right here. And you want to change this to remove local. All right, you don't want to choose this redirect option. Just make sure you select this remove local option and you want to click on this create local. Okay, so once you do that, you can see right here, this is the content local link right here. So basically what you want to do now, you want to copy this link right here, and then you want to paste in the local link right here. Okay, and you want to type in 1,500 gift card. All right, so you want to type in something simple like that, and you want to click on save. All right, as you can see right here. Okay, so basically once they click on this link right here, it's going to take them to that content local you made on OG ads. So basically that is all you need to do. As you can see right here, you don't need to do any other thing from here. All you just need to do now is start sharing your link. So if I click on this copy link and I go back to it and I go to a new tab and I paste the link right here, as you can see, once they click on this link, the content local is going to pop up asking them to complete 4 giveaway offers. All right, now you may be wondering, how do you get traffic to this offer? You want to go over to Instagram. All right, so you want to come over to Instagram and start driving traffic to this link. All right, as you can see right here, this is a giveaway page. So you can see this one right here has over 3,000 likes on it and 5,000 comments. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on this post and you want to go to the like section and you want to follow the people who liked this post, because this already tells you that these people are interested in giveaway content. All right, so all you just need to do is follow these people right here. All right, so you can literally follow about 30 to 100 people every day on Instagram. Basically, like I said, all you just need is 10 people to come over to this page and complete your CPA offer, and you've made $100 a day that way. Just 10 people. All right, keep in mind, you don't need these people to follow you. All they just need to do is get notified by Instagram that you follow them, and once they stumble on your Instagram page and they click on the link in your bio and they come over to this page right here, that is all you need them to do. And once they take a moment to complete this offer, since you already know they are interested in giveaway content, that way you are making easy money for absolutely free. So now the second thing you can do is, for those who followed you, you can send them a DM and you can send them this link in the DM to check out this giveaway. All right, so basically that is one traffic source that you can use. Now the second traffic source that you can use is by coming over to canva.com and you want to type in giveaway in the search bar right here, and Canva is going to show you a lot of templates you can use as well to create giveaway graphics. As you can see right here, this is an example right here, giveaway countdown. All right, so once you do that, you want to download this template right here. Once you've edited this template, so all you just need to do is click on this share right here and you will be able to download this image. All right, so once you've downloaded this image right here, you want to head over to pinterest.com and you want to create a Pinterest account for this link right here. As you can see, this one right here says giveaway boss, so you want to create a Pinterest account with the same name and you want to click on this create pin. All right, so as you can see right here, win $1,500 gift card, and you can see the description right here says, hey, we have 4 new giveaways on our page. So like I told you, all they need to do is complete all 4 giveaway offers and you will be making money in passive income. And here, this is where you are going to copy the link. All right, you are going to paste in your bio.link link right here. Okay, so once you do that, all you just literally need to do from here, you want to make sure you create a board. If you don't have one already, you want to create, as you can see right here. As you can see, this account has a giveaway board already. So all you just need to do is create a board and select the board saying giveaway. So once you do that, all you just need to do is click on save. So as you can see right here, saved to giveaway. So basically that is all you need to do, and you want to make as many pins as you can every single day. As you can see right here, Pinterest gets almost 1 billion visits every single month, and also you can see where majority of its traffic is coming from is from the United States, over 40% traffic is from the United States alone. So you can see right here, there's a lot of potential in using Pinterest. Like I said, you want to create as many pins as you can every single day. And like I said, for Instagram, all you just need to do is follow people who are already interested in giveaway content. And once they get notified by Instagram that you follow them, they are going to click on your page, because your page is going to also have giveaway in it. As you can see right here, giveaway boss. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.